Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching this program, welcome to my channel. If you are watching this program for the first time, my name is Dr. Abolade, the son of Aramide. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me share this program. Drop your comments and like it. God bless you. What I would like to share with you people today, what I brought today is oyún tí kò yọ, the pregnant that did not sew in, or the pregnant that it did not rise up. That is what I brought today. What we are going to use for the pregnant that is not going up, and the pregnant that is not going up, what we are going to use. Please, if you are subscribed, make sure that you on your notification bell. Help me share this program. Drop your comment and like it. This is what you need to do for the pregnant that is not growing up. This is what you need to do. Go and look for one alligator pepper, complete one alligator pepper, and catfish, small catfish, fresh catfish with ojoro and osibata. We call 2 leaves, ojoro and osibata. The leaf that I'm talking about is not growing on ground. They're growing on swamp water. That leaf, the ojoro leaf and osibata leaf, they're growing on swamp water. You can get it where they sell herbal ingredients, ojoro leaf and osibata leaf. Get 3 ojoro leaf, 3 pieces of ojoro leaf, 3 pieces of ojoro leaf, 3 pieces of osibata leaf, 3 pieces of osibata leaf, and 1 alligator pepper, 1 alligator pepper with catfish, with catfish. How do we do it? Grind this alligator pepper, grind this alligator pepper separate. Grind the ojoro leaf and osibata, grind it together. Mix it with this powder, this alligator powder. Mix them together. Get native pot that you used to cook ASEJE. Native pot, small native pot, like this one, like this one. This one big. Get native pot. Kill the intestine, remove it, throw it away. Rinse it very well. Use this thing to cook the catfish. Add small salt and palm oil on it. Cook it. If you want to do it in the night. Do it in the night. If you want to eat it early in the morning before you talk to someone. If you want to do it, cook this soup in the night. Don't eat it in the night. Very early in the morning before you talk to someone, Eat this ASEJE before you talk to someone. Eat it before you talk to someone. That is it. Tá a bá fẹ́ jẹ ẹ́, alẹ́ ni a máa dáná ẹ̀, alẹ́ la máa sè é. Tó bá ti wá di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ká tó sọ̀rọ̀ síyàn, òun ni a máa jẹ ẹ́. Ojú oró ẹyọ mẹ́ta, kò sí bàtà ẹyọ mẹ́ta, odidi atare ẹyọ kan, á lọ̀ atare lọ́tọ̀, á lọ ojú oró àti sí bàtà, á lọ̀ papọ̀, á wá da atare pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, á wá fi ṣe ẹja àrọ̀jẹ fún ẹni tí oyún ò bá yí padà, oyún tí ò bá yọ, oyún tí kò bá yọ, òun ni ó wà fún. Bá ti wá sè ní alẹ́, tó bá ti di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì kó tó di pé ẹni yẹn ó sọ̀rọ̀ síyàn, ó máa jẹ ASEJE yìí bí ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. That is it. That is it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me share this program. Drop your comment and like it. God bless you.